Hi friends, how you doing? It's me. It's the most wonderful time of the month. Do 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 do. Ipsy Glam bag box X is here. I am so excited. How about you? I know you're right. I don't know why people like to watch other people open stuff, but like if you're interested in getting Ipsy or something like that, want to look, at what you might get. If you want to go back or, watch today or anything, I buy my Ipsy, I pay for it. They do not know I make videos because I think there's a bit of a difference between the people that pay and the ones that are comped, or the ones that are paid and comped together. I don't get that myself, but yes, I pay for my Ipsy, so I like to share that with you to show you what you will probably, maybe, most likely get if you sign up for it. I have had a hell of a week. I have a hell of 2 weeks. I have over 6 appointments. I've done 2. I've done 2. I have four appointments this week, and then things should calm down. But I have to, I am just stressed to the, it's bad. It's bad. I have a lot of stress. I don't know if you remember or not, but of course I'm sick. I have Ehlers-Danlos syndrome, and my doctor retired on a dime back in June, and I'm still trying to get all my health care together. Last week was palliative. That's just a fancy word for stress and pain management. Palliative, if you're terminal care. So I did my palliative care. I forget what else we did. Went to the gym, got back. I have the rheumatologist this week. I have 2 more palliative care appointments. Long story, don't want to get into it. We're here for Ipsy, so let's Ipsy. Now, I did write down some notes because I like to be able to tell you guys about this stuff. But I have a phone here with me too, just in case my notes aren't enough. Because, should we look? I never know how this is set up, you know what I mean? I'm gonna peek. Okay. And then you can take a peek. This month, it was Becky G. Now, I don't know who Becky G is, but my son, who's 22 years old, said if they're using Becky G at Ipsy, they must be pretty desperate for help with makeup, because I don't know who she is, but you have a little flyer here of Becky G and why she enjoys the Ipsy so much. Let me tell you, this month, this Glam X trip is 8 pieces. There are 8 pieces, but they chose 5 for me. I got to choose 3 of them. So out of 8, I chose 3, and I have to say the choices were so thoroughly shitty. I'm so disappointed with one of the things I had to, or I ended up getting, because I'm a dumbass, and yeah, so I can't really go by feel. So this is, I have a clue what this is, but let me look at my note. This is Milk Makeup Rise and Lengthening Mascara. This is 8 milliliters for $28, and it claims it defies gravity. Lift and length with this winning formula. So let's just take a look at that. Not the best brush I see, but I'd like a good mascara because I can't do the false lashes. So, and yes, I pump. I'm a pumper in the mascara. What are you gonna do? It seems awfully dry, but we will give that a shot. And again, this is Milk Makeup Rise, Lifting and Lengthening Mascara. Oh, and it's in extreme black, because I think people wear black with yeah, there's that. See what this is? Okay, now, I don't know if you can tell or not, but this box is pretty rough. They kind of just threw everything in here this month. This is Kate Somerville Delicate Delicate, see what she did there? Delicate face wash. Now, this claims to use ceramides and superfruit extracts to not strip your skin when you wash. You ever get like that squeak that you're not supposed to have, that you had when you were a kid, but it's not good now? This should prevent that. I have not tried this yet. We are opening. This is 4 ounces, 4 full ounces, and it is $44 if you wish to purchase that. This was chosen for me, as was the mascara. I don't think I would have chose another facial cleanser. I have like a shelf of them from Ipsy specifically, and then they kind of laid off, and then they got back on the cleansers, so I don't know what the hell we're doing. Ooh, that's a cool box. Okay, I have an idea what this is. This is something I did pick, and it is Penrose Secret Genius Whisper Sweet Nothings, and it is a perfume. It claims it is for gourmands, and I don't know why, but it has notes of vanilla and caramel with bergamot. Now, vanilla, I'm a little over. I can do the caramel, but bergamot, now I don't like citrus. Citrus, like in the 90s, they just came and they just killed citrus for me. But bergamot is an Italian citrus fruit that I actually like the scent of. I do. So, vanilla, oh, and mandarin orange as well. So let's get this going, and little that, and that. Ooh, it's pretty. It's light. I wear very spicy, musky, but this is very nice. Little sweet, very nice. Let me get you the info. This is 30 milliliters, which is about an ounce, and that is $60. These are all full size because it is Glam Bag X, and this is an item that I did pick. I had, my choices were out of 6, and like I said, they were so super shitty. This month, like, I remember trying to do them, but hey, this is Skin Incorporated Sculpt Lift Bar in 24 karat gold. Now, they claim this thing is $125, which is pretty, oh, I like the box, which is pretty amazing because this is the second one I've got. This is, okay, this one's a little different than the other one I have. I will show you where, how, and why. And I will tell you, I don't hate these, the face pieces. Now, the bar I have is more of a T. It's just a straight bar. So this isn't an exact double. And what this probably does, and is my kids, I have like this piece they sent me as well. My kids call it my vibrator, because my kids, but if you can hear, it's vibrating. It's got 4 settings. Now, I'm just showing you this one because this one doesn't seem to have a battery in it, so I can't make it buzz for you. But it tells you to take all the elbow grease out of facials and just massage this on your face with your favorite serum. And I don't know about you. I don't go get facials or any of that. I do all my own stuff. But I do like when I feel that tingle under my skin after I've done like a good, collagen serum or something like that. I'll get a nice tingle. I really enjoy these, that tool, the bar, and this will probably be included. It really does. I don't know if it increases blood flow, and I can't even say that it does help because I don't know, but I know that if you like that tingly under skin, feels effective, this is pretty freaking cool. It really is. I don't understand how it's $1.25 and doesn't come with a battery, but life happens. And I do like this box. It's meant to be open. Throw that across the room. And this magnet, that is very, very nice. I don't have much room here today because we have so many items. Let's see what this is. Da, da, da. You got a bag. Okay. Oh, I don't know how to say this. If it's Très Luce, whatever it is a brush set. And it is a brush set that I picked out. I had to pick out over 6 other items. This is an 8-count brush set. take a look at them. And they will run you $35. Now, Trisloos, oh my. Okay, these are wrapped, and then they're wrapped again because environment. So it's a little hard to take a look at them with the plastic on, but maybe we'll just look at a couple. And these are generally for eyes. They look nice. They look really nice. You can see those. Might as well do this. Yeah, one and a little big guy. So 8 brushes, $35. I chose that. You know I love the brushes. Yeah, so even though those choices probably sucked too, at least I got brushes out of it. I am so pissed over this. I picked it. Number one, I picked it, okay? I'm so pissed. It's the new company, and it's called Magnesium Therapy. So I thought, oh, maybe it controls oil on my face, because the new company is very good for skin barrier wise. They have a wash and a serum that doesn't interrupt your skin barrier, especially if you have a weak one, which I do because of my disease. So this company is usually really good on the skin. So I saw out of my 6 shitty choices, and I clicked it, and what this is a effing muscle spray. If you can't sleep and your muscles ache, you spray this in your hand, rub, and then rub your muscle that hurts. I mean, it's just so lame to me. Like, come on. This shit isn't gonna work. Well, I can't smell it. Ooh, it smells nice. There's that. But I don't see being sleepless, with like a sore back, going, oh, I need to grab the makeup spray that Ipsy sent me to rub in my muscles. I don't know. I don't know what the hell they were thinking. But hey, here we are. I have an idea what this may be. Yep. Now, I don't know if it's Maracuja or Kuja or Kaha, but it's Maracuja. It's Tarte's Maracuja Juicy Lip in Rose. This is an ultra moisturizer. Can you see that? It's damaged in the back. Yeah. Oh, that's Ipsy. And it doesn't go up or down when there it goes. A little bit. Okay, it's in really shitty condition, sorry. This will keep your lips intensely moisturized with fatty acids and super fruit extracts. That seems to be the thing this go around. I just want to put that on there carefully because it doesn't look like they did. And this is our last item. Oops, sorry, lost a light there. Have one more item to go. Oh. This. Now this I wrote down. I wanted to get the name of it right. This was like the premier first what you're getting item. It is Herbivore Botanicals Pink Cloud Soft Moisture Cream. That is the name of it. Sorry. This is full size at 50 milliliters. That's about 1.5 ounces. And it is $44. I like the packaging. I will say about Herbivore, I have quite a few of their products. I thought I had one laying here. Oh, here's one. Like their emerald oil, I use that. I love that. I'll pick that up if I see it in the add-ons or on the sales, the flash sales or stuff like that. So this is a really good brand, and it's always brought me really good moisture. So this I wasn't disappointed with. I was quite happy to see this when I did. It was the first and the best. And that is, I have another bag. I have no idea what this was for. For the garbage, I guess. That's it. So that is my Glipsy. My Glipsy. We're just going to shorten it to one word. I'm sorry. My Ipsy Glam X for November. this was it. It was 8 items, 3 of which I chose. And as you can see, it is like meh. You know, like this month, this is just the lamest. I'm so upset I wasted a pick on this. Like, I don't even know what that's doing with Ipsy, to be frank with you. Like a sore muscle, sleepless night, rub shit on your skin, like that holistic hippie shit. It is good. It's good to a point, and then you need a real doctor with real medicine and, you know, real things. But some people probably just get sore muscles, and maybe that will work for them. So good for them. Not good for me. I'm probably just going to donate that right off the bat. I don't even think I'm going to mess with it. Definitely Kate. I have a lot of Kate Somerville. She's good. She makes some good stuff. A lot of her. Tarte's always good. Skin Incorporated, the bar. I don't know too much about them. The Herbivore, Trace Loose is great. The Penrose, the perfume smells beautiful. I'm very happy with that. And yeah, just like a very random box this month. So I hope you enjoyed opening that with me. And I do wait to open it with you because that's what I say I do. So that's what I do. And that is about it. Now, I'm not going to get into the medical and the nonsense and all the bullshit that I've been dealing with this week. I'll probably make a video next week, just a health update once all the appointments are done, because it's ridiculous. So I hope you are having a great week, a great 2 weeks, and that you do not require palliative care, that you're not going to the doctors back and forth. One of them was 57 miles away. And I have to go back Tuesday. Like, it's just adding up, and I'm over it. And my daughter, let me tell you something. My daughter, like, I shouldn't have gotten sick for 20 or 30 more years, as sick as I am, but my daughter never lets me go to the doctor alone. You know, she'll bring me to the gym, like anything. She'll come in with me, you know, on a guest pass if I just need it that day. She has been so good to me, taking care of me and doing things. And my son, I mean, they don't let me, they're doing really good. My daughter's been doing a lot for me this week, and I really appreciate that. And isn't it nice to hear something good instead of bitching, right? There's that. So that is Ipsy. That is my family. That is me. And I hope I get to see you soon. Let me check my thing that never works. I'll click that. And hopefully, you know the drill. I'm going to wish you a farewell. Going to smile. We're going to hit the button. And we're going to hope it clicks. Oh, clicks and works at least. Okay? So take care. I hope you have a great everything. And I will talk to you soon, all right? Bye.